Scorpio reading messages. Let's get a flame. Guys, we're purging. We're purging again. I mean, this is our connection to the underworld. Sex, death, rebirth. Paranormal, a deeper connection to the unknown. And creating anew with this unknown. All right. So we have some channel messages. But first, I just feel like we're gonna talk for a minute, and then we're gonna come over here. We're gonna have some channel messages, and we're gonna build off of that. There's much anger being purged in the collective right now, and a lot of it is the lies and the deceit and the illusions. We're healing through that because we've really connected to the truth. We've really gone deep, deep, deep within and connected to truth. And we're in a process of deep healing. The world is healing itself. You know, we are healing ourselves, and this is the thing. It's just like, what is not within our alignment, in alignment with us. We're really starting to see it. And there's a hurt there. There's a pain there because we're being called to walk away from what's not in alignment with us, to shed another layer. And it's what's been familiar. And for a lot of us, it's people, places, and things. We're moving on, guys. We're moving on. But we need to heal this anger. So today I'm going to ask that specifically that we heal through this anger, this out of sorts, this, you know, this very big negative vibe. And let's cultivate some peace. Let's cultivate some peace of where we're going. This has to do with the fact that we're very close to achieving our goal. All right, guys. This has to do with the King and Queen of Cups, with the Two of Cups connection, and the King and Queen of Swords with the Ace of Pentacles connection. And we're working with the Six of Cups through the Five of Cups, but it's connected to the Ace of Wands. And the Ace of Wands is connected to the Six of Wands right now. And the 10. So we're going to go from the 10 of Wands to the 6 through the Ace in order to get to where we're going. This has to do with how we're applying the force. And we are using the energies of New Earth, of Aquarius, the Cups and the Swords, the Mother, the Water, and the Sun, the Air. And this is to do another level of purification of what we came here to achieve on mission work, and to heal through what is lower vibrational, and to not feed into our Five of Wands charge. There's a Five of Wands charge connection here, and we're healing with, you know, the Five of Swords, the mental game, because it's very easy right now with all of what is being purged without to then get caught in that within, and we don't want to get caught in that within. The whole goal is to raise our elevation within. And we are still the phoenixes rising from the ashes. We've entered eclipse season, okay, guys? We've entered eclipse season, and that's what this message has to do with. We're going to be having a lunar eclipse. And it's being activated right now. We also know the 1111 portal. There's many things in alignment for us to achieve our goals, to achieve what we're setting forth to achieve right now, and it has to do with connection. But we're honoring that this connection is happening through the energy of the opposites, through the trickster. We're being challenged, but these challenges are for a greater good in order to have the experience, to apply the knowledge. And we are applying the knowledge. And the knowledge that we are applying has to do with this dress that we made. With the elements and the cosmos, from the heavens to the earth, through us, we are expanding. And we're going to heal from separation. We're going to heal from being bonded, from feeling chained. Guys, we're dealing with a lot of depression right now, anxiety, anger, these lower vibrational things. And we are going to get into that right now. I want to expand off that further. So come on over here, guys.